muhandisi olwalero no mama Kadaga no wife ni mwene Busoga ni mwene Uganda uje kumuhandisa wekiba kisoboka sono fande. Mama Kadaga oye! Mama Kadaga oye! Ria! Rija! Tusimude!
Kale tusanga hivi. Mama wife huye, mama wa Busoga huye, maneno wife, maneno mama wa Busoga, aliyokuzonga na Busoga, yakabani simu Kadaga huyo mama Kadaga huyo mama wa Busoga omulalati otyonga bwokobye omulalati niyenka ategerere irala kyabadongole tuli bana bali twala kona bava kisikona bona bajuulire kikonera irala bava kisina kikoni kona kuwa otitegeire lumwizayo naki ayenda kubekiri wiyajityamemu aye tukinsoboke fatwenda mulala alitwala Kadaga Mama Kadaga ebirungi byakoze n'ebingi ate ng'era atukolera ebikalamu kamaala. Omuntu ow'emukono ekikuumiso weekamuliko n'ekitiibwa. Nga twena isaifa n'omulala ekisegese kitalimba kisomo. Bana tutese etadonifwe sobize Kadaga ajeyo anyasa kebirungi Anko mutema huyo okamota mutema ala dise Soko veio, demba no caiu.
Kanga akunigire awi mwezo otinga kaitine ido batasa
kanje manga
alicho bana ku Vision Media noni Mama Kadaga kuhulira nomune Busoga president wa Busoga era nende okubantu ku nominations ona kwa lero Mama Kadaga ya kubanga aba nominated nga member wa parliament omukyala we Kanoli 1226 kumulala kabiri era gama ja mpola era oli kubona abaana bantu bali kunga bala mu people power abo oli kitegera mama wa NRM aye libina we bali ndiga no kubantanya libina abo oli kitegera era aba bona ezasigayireyo abo oli kitegera ezasigayireyo ba foot soldiers yaba kulegezaawo NRM le yaba foot soldiers bayo era ndo kubantu bayije okubanga bemererawo okubanga mama Kadaga munange atwalibwa wali kusebe chikuru wali munange district okuboneka nti bambi awandikibwa kuba member of parliament obo omukyala omukiso omukyala owa Kamuli municipality olisegera so nendo ko bantu ku Vision Media baku era ngendo ko bantu sakatwa zimuwana wana tegamba chitwaliza walalawo mumbera yona soka tuwalizimu Vision Media International so tuliwa Kalo rumba be na moroka ndizi za moroka beni ale baba ayagala kujja kulongosa ino.
Yo!
aliyokuzonga na Busonga huyo, atembeza Busonga huyo, arangira Busonga huyo, mama huyo. Numutwala kwewandisa adongoledere kusindogoma aja nomungire soko tufire
I love it. One.
Declare Alitwala Kadaga Rebecca duly nominated Deputy Woman Representative to Parliament.
One, I hope that we shall complete the Paris Kalilo Kamuli Saka Road, which will enable us to access the nuclear plant. I'm hoping that we, before the end of this term, we shall have finally done the Amber Court, Nakandulo, Buramuti, Kamuli, Iringa, Ukungu Road. I also hope that by that time we shall have completed the Warugogo, Usalamu, Buropa, Dumbura Road. That's a road issue. The project I've started personally of diagnostic centers for 5 districts of Busoga. The center of is going to be here in Kamuli. The construction will begin probably in November. There will also be another one in Wujiri, another one in Mayuge, another one in Ganga, and another one. There will be 5 diagnostic centers so that I can save the people of Busoga from having to go to Kampala to have diagnostic services. So they will be done here in Busoga free of charge through those centers. I'm also expecting that during this term, we are going to consolidate the issues of Busoga University. You remember we had a branch here, we had the agricultural facility in this region. Maybe with time we also have it back so that the people of Kamuli don't feel left out of the issues of Busoga University. But my star project is the Chimaka Airport, Chimaka International Airport, which I think will be a game changer for the people of Busoga and the people of the Eastern region. If those are done, I'll be very, very happy during this time.
Mama, you have competitors who have come to this race. What message do you have for them? There are some people who have already nominated.
Murikwenda kumana etukwenda okala ndi tukusubira nti ekisanza kino tulina okutandika ate tumalize oluguudo oluva Amber Court olubikye Nankandolo, Buramuti, Kamuli, Barawuli, Ndolwa, Iringa up to Bukungu olujja ku ferry daife ku ship daife ekyokulanga nakali kyoga ate kasubire nti tunamadoddezo okusasula contractors emmere zitazika okutambula yamba abantu baife business day bikusubira nti oluguudo oluva Nankani Saka galute Palisa Kaliro oludde Kamuli luna lujja kolebwa nasubira oluguudo lwe Walugogo wire Busalamu Bulopa Budumbula n'abakulebwa nze mwene project yendi kuno ya diagnostic centers mu Busoga inati Kamuli yonka anga Kamuli job center of excellence gapa diagnostic centers itano bane Kamuli Bugiri Ebayuge Iganga n'eyindi so ekyo kirabo kyageri abantu ba Busoga okuba twaloko mu okutambula ku Busoga ogole Kampala okulina services diagnostics so kuzimba okujja tereka mwezi guno gwa nakani kwa London maybe ekindi kyetulikolako my star project yange neyo kufuula Kimbaka International Airport abantu abusoga bafuna omukisa okutambula nga batambula ku bano Busoga bajje bajja tiku okutambula kabiri wasoko walambala mu njira kodi ojire Entebbe kodi oli agenti ya gasi kodi oluguudo potrodire mu mabiro omoko biki so ewe kiwekyo ebintu babiri bulungi so express highway yona express highway construction hakolewa ayi ebinde biri mu nakani pipeline every set ebyatandikibwa ayi nga yona of course Kampala express highway tujetaga kubanga abantu bafabusola ku side ere atasobola kusubita ya kunakani ku Simba road bafuna okukalubiriza bamala essaawa nigi nabo bakatambula omuntu ambala essaawa 5 namba olikuva ejjira okujja Kampala aye nga ate obutanda Isimba 1 hour and a half okutuse Kampala amba kodi bukongolo otondogera
tumaze okwewandiisa ate tuva kuwandiisa maama alitwala Rebecca ate abeebuzayo bamaze okumpandiisa so obutimpera nti kulumba kyalo wake mukwawo tiimu ki Banaibu tuleke tukole. Kuwe nawe kuwa Mondi. Jenda. Nenda Kadaga. Mkuwe China. Jenda. Nenda Rebecca. Mkuwe nawe ti. Jenda. Nenda Kadaga. Jenda. Nenda Kadaga. Mkuwe Veronica. Jenda. Nenda Beck. Mkuwe Tunyo. Jenda. Nenda Mungu yetu